With its recently created Equipment Assistance Service, Emsa is strengthening the existing response capabilities in Europe. Dedicated stockpiles of oil pollution response equipment are available for European coastal states to use on vessels of opportunity.
In the event of an oil spill, the affected state requesting Emsa services takes charge, deciding how and where to use these services. This will depend on the particularities of the spill, the prevailing meteo-oceanic conditions, as well as the national policies and contingency plans in place. Emsa currently maintains EAS stockpiles in Aberdeen in the UK and in Gdansk in Poland. These contain specialised oil spill response equipment sets, available around the clock for quick mobilisation and transport to anywhere in Europe.
Here we are in the first stockpile that we have set up. We have looked at what the member states did have in their stockpiles, and we have tried to complement their capacity with very high capacities piece of equipment.
This specialised equipment can be requested by EU member states, EFTA and EEA countries, and neighbouring EU countries. Once the service has been activated, the equipment comes under the operational control of the requesting party. In addition to equipment, technical support personnel, qualified and trained in the maintenance and deployment of the equipment, are available for the equipment handover and familiarisation process. This service is particularly valuable to coastal states without such capabilities, as well as to those wishing to strengthen their existing resources. Unlike alternative options, the conditions of the service are predefined, including the associated cost, and as the service is modular and ready for use across Europe, mobilisation is rapid.
The Equipment Assistance Service fits very well to our strategy. This will be an important supplement when we face a Tier 2 or Tier 3 situation where the national response isn't enough.
National competent authorities have been informed of the various procedures and conditions involved in mobilising the service.
With this system, we have extra resources that are very flexible, and I find this useful because all the other equipment we have is some way tied to the ships we have. But the Equipment Assistance Service is a new tool used on a vessel of opportunity.
The requesting party may choose one or multiple equipment sets for use during the response operation. The equipment sets are also available for use during at-sea operational exercises, which are very important for testing and maintaining the national preparedness to pollution incidents.
The use of this equipment in both national exercises and regional exercises will be very important and will be incorporated as part of Ireland's response in the event of a major oil spill.
The type of specialised oil spill response equipment available includes combined containment and recovery systems, oil trawl nets and fire booms. Information sheets for each type of equipment set describing the technical specifications, storage, transportation and operational requirements for use by vessels of opportunity are published on Emsa's website. To maintain the operational readiness of the equipment, Emsa has established a programme of equipment condition tests and exercises that guarantee their regular deployment and testing. Shortly after setting up the service, experts from EU member states were invited to visit the Equipment Assistance Service stockpiles as part of dedicated familiarisation training sessions provided by Emsa. Participants from across Europe were introduced to the new service, what it offers and how it can be mobilised. The Equipment Assistance Service Operational User Guide provides step-by-step guidance to the national competent authorities on how to request the service. Emsa will continue to provide training of the new service to relevant personnel, including hands-on practical training for equipment operators. Further information is available on Emsa's website.